tahun baru buat kalian semua. Tahun 2019, semoga semua resolusi kalian bisa tercapai di tahun baru ini. Nah, ini makeup terbaru 2019. Kalau zaman sekarang kita makeup kondangan untuk acara prom atau acara yang lain cuman biasa aja. Nah, kali ini aku mau ngasih makeup yang luar biasa dengan tema Arabian look. Nah, tutorial makeup ini bisa kalian gunakan untuk photoshoot, untuk makeup kondangan, ataupun untuk acara-acara resmi lainnya. Seperti ini. Nah, kalau ingin tahu gimana cara makeupnya, so jangan kemana-mana, keep watching.
Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat. Grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah. In the Caribbean, yeah. Dance, 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 smoke, smoke, smoke. Fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Car time, then on with car drop, on with long time, then on with long linen. With my car dog, then on with car drop, on with long time, time with long linen. Car dog, then on with car, then you not feel the long time, then on with long linen. With my car dog, then on with car, then you not be long time with long linen. Then moving away to the sea for a getaway. Car top down, and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? tough, you see. Clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah. In the Caribbean, yeah. Dance, 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 smoke, smoke, smoke. Fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire gotta love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Voila! Seperti inilah hasil dari makeupanku hari ini. So, jangan lupa buat teman-teman semua untuk like, subscribe, komen, dan share video ini ke seluruh teman kalian semua. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!